Have you ever dreamt of a life filled with abundance, joy, and purpose? Imagine waking up every day feeling excited and motivated, knowing that you are on the path to achieving your deepest desires. Picture yourself surrounded by positivity, love, and endless opportunities. What if you had the power to attract your deepest desires? What if the universe was ready to conspire in your favor, helping you manifest everything you've ever wanted? The truth is, you do. You have within you the incredible ability to shape your reality and create the life of your dreams. The law of attraction, a powerful universal principle, states that like attracts like. This means that the energy you put out into the world is the energy you will receive in return. This means that your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs have the incredible ability to shape your reality. By focusing on positive thoughts and maintaining a high vibration, you can attract positive experiences and outcomes into your life. In this essay, we'll delve into the transformative power of the law of attraction and explore how you can harness it to create a life you love. We'll discuss practical steps and techniques that you can start using today to begin manifesting your dreams. We'll unlock the secrets to manifesting your dreams, step by step. From setting clear intentions to visualizing your goals, we'll cover everything you need to know to start attracting the life you desire. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey of self-discovery and empower yourself to live a life beyond your wildest dreams. This journey will not only transform your external reality, but also bring about profound inner growth and fulfillment. This is your time to shine. Embrace the power within you and take the first step towards unlocking your full potential. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's begin this transformative journey together and create a life that truly reflects your dreams and aspirations. The law of attraction is a fundamental law of the universe, just like gravity. It operates on the principle of resonance, meaning that energies of the same frequency are drawn to each other. In simpler terms, your thoughts and feelings act as magnets, attracting experiences, people, and opportunities that match their vibration. Think of it like tuning a radio. When you set the dial to a specific frequency, you receive the corresponding station. Similarly, when you focus your thoughts and emotions on a particular desire, you align yourself with its frequency and attract it into your life. This principle applies to all areas of life, from finances and relationships to health and happiness. The key is to understand how to consciously direct your energy to create the reality you desire. The first step in manifesting your dreams is to get crystal clear about what you truly desire. This clarity acts as a guiding star, illuminating the path towards your goals and aspirations. This means taking the time to connect with your heart's deepest longings. What brings you joy? What activities or experiences make your heart sing and your spirit soar? What makes you feel alive and passionate? Don't hold back. Allow yourself to dream without limitations, embracing the full spectrum of your desires. This is your chance to dream big and write your own script for a fulfilling life. Imagine the possibilities and let your imagination run wild. Write down your desires in detail, using positive and present tense language, as if you're already experiencing them. This practice helps to solidify your intentions and makes them feel more real and attainable. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be financially free," you would write, "I am financially abundant and enjoy the freedom and security that comes with it." This shift in language is powerful and transformative. Remember, the universe responds to the clarity of your request. When you are clear and specific, you send a strong signal that you are ready to receive. The more specific and detailed you are, the easier it will be for the universe to orchestrate the people, resources, and opportunities you need to manifest your desires. So take your time, be thorough, and trust the process. Once you've identified your desires, the next step is to cultivate an unwavering belief that you can and will achieve them. This is where the real magic happens. Belief is the fuel that propels your dreams into reality. Visualize yourself living your dream life as vividly as possible. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? The more real you make it in your mind, the more powerfully you'll attract it into your physical experience. Challenge any limiting beliefs that may arise. Remember, your beliefs create your reality. Choose to believe in your dreams, even if you can't see the entire path unfold just yet. Trust that the universe is conspiring to bring your desires to fruition. Section 5. Step 3. Receive. Embracing your desires. The final step in the manifestation process is to fully embrace the feeling of already having what you desire. This means embodying the emotions, thoughts, and actions of someone who is already living their dream life. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement that comes with achieving your goals. Act as if your desires are already manifested. This alignment with the vibration of your desires sends a powerful signal to the universe, attracting them to you with greater speed and ease. Remember, the universe is a mirror reflecting back to you the energy you put out. When you radiate positive emotions and unwavering belief, you create a magnetic field that draws your dreams into your reality. Section 6. The power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is not just about putting on a happy face, it's about consciously choosing to focus on the good, even amidst challenges. It's about cultivating an optimistic outlook and believing in your ability to create a brighter future. When you shift your focus from lack and limitation to abundance and possibility, you open yourself up to a world of infinite potential. Your thoughts create your reality, so choose them wisely. Practice gratitude daily. Appreciate the good in your life, no matter how small. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for abundance. The more grateful you are, the more you'll attract things to be grateful for. Section 7. Real-life examples, manifesting dreams into reality. Countless individuals throughout history have used the law of attraction to manifest their dreams. From Oprah Winfrey to Jim Carrey, many successful people attribute their achievements to the power of positive thinking, visualization, and unwavering belief. A single mother struggling to make ends meet used the law of attraction to manifest her dream job. She visualized herself working in a supportive and fulfilling environment, earning a comfortable income. Within a few months, she landed her dream job, doubling her salary and improving her family's life dramatically. These examples demonstrate that the law of attraction is not just a feel-good concept. It's a powerful principle that can transform your life when applied consistently. Section 8. Practical steps for harnessing the law of attraction. 1. Start a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, creating a positive mindset. Over time, you'll notice a significant change in your outlook on life. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can attract more good things into your life. Focus on the positive aspects of your life, no matter how small they may seem. It could be as simple as a beautiful sunrise, a kind gesture from a stranger, or a delicious meal. By acknowledging these moments, you train your mind to see the good in every situation. 2. Visualize your ideal day. Take some time each day to visualize yourself living your dream life in vivid detail. Imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings of your perfect day. Visualization helps to create a mental image of your goals, making them feel more attainable. The more detailed your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. Engage all your senses and feel the emotions as if it's happening right now. This practice not only boosts your mood, but also aligns your energy with your desires, making it easier for the universe to bring them to you. 3. Use affirmations. Create positive affirmations that reflect your desired reality. These are powerful statements that can reprogram your subconscious mind. Write them in the present tense, as if they are already true. For example, I am confident and successful, or I attract abundance into my life. Repeat them daily with conviction and belief. The more you say them, the more you start to believe them, and the more they become a part of your reality. Consistency is key here. 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with supportive people. Read inspiring books, listen to uplifting music, and engage in activities that bring you joy. The energy of the people and things around you can greatly influence your own energy. And engage in activities that bring you joy. Whether it's a hobby, a sport, or simply spending time in nature, Do what makes you happy. Joy is a high-vibration emotion that attracts more positive experiences. 5. Take action. The universe will meet you halfway, but you need to take inspired action towards your goals. This means taking steps that feel right and aligned with your desires. It could be as simple as making a phone call, signing up for a course, or creating a vision board. But you need to take inspired action towards your goals. Trust your intuition and take steps, no matter how small, to move towards your dreams. Remember, consistency is key. Each small step you take brings you closer to your desired outcome. Trust your intuition and take steps, no matter how small, to move towards your dreams. Remember, consistency is key. Each small step you take brings you closer to your desired outcome. Celebrate your progress, no matter how minor it may seem. Make these practices a part of your daily routine, and watch as your life transforms before your very eyes. The law of attraction is always at work, and by incorporating these steps, you can harness its power to create the life you truly desire. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the journey. The law of attraction is not a magic wand that will instantly grant all your wishes. It's a journey of self-discovery, growth, and conscious creation. It requires patience, persistence, and an unwavering belief in yourself and the power of the universe. Embrace the journey. There will be ups and downs, but remember that every experience is an opportunity for learning and growth. Trust the process, stay committed to your vision, and never give up on your dreams. The universe is conspiring to support you every step of the way. Now go out there and create the life of your dreams.